Okay, y'all. So let's make some cookies. This is the perfect fall cookie, and you can also use it for the holidays. It's chewy pumpkin cookies with white chocolate. So right now I am getting ready to cream my butter and my sugars together. This is 3/4 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and a melted stick of butter. So pour that in. I'm going to use self-rising flour for this instead of all-purpose, so I can skip some of these steps. So we need to get our flour here. That's 1.5 cups. And we're going to go ahead and put our spices in. So let me get that ready. We're going to need cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and nutmeg. And that's ground on all of those. Let's see where we begin. We need a teaspoon of cinnamon. And a 1/4 teaspoon of everything else. Okay. Then we're going to fold in the sugar mixture. And I forgot to add in the pumpkin and vanilla. I'm going to need about a teaspoon of that. Add a cup of white chocolate chips. A 1/2 cup of craisins. We need to put this in the fridge and let it chill for at least 30 minutes or overnight. Okay, so the dough is chilled. So I'm just going to, you can drop it by spoonfuls. I'm going to try to experiment with a few different sizes. This is my lined cookie sheet. I always line all my cookie sheets with foils just for easier cleanup. And I have already got my oven preheated to 350. I'm using clean hands. And I'm just trying to decide about how big that I want to do these. You've got to give me a cookie scoop so I can do this way easier. You'll bake 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, y'all, so cookies are done. It did take a little bit longer than what the recipe states. The recipe said 10 to 12 minutes. I think I went a little bit more than that. And I let them stay on the pan for like 1 minute cooling, and then try to take them off. You have to be really careful because they're really soft. Okay, y'all. See y'all next time.